I'm so excited! I've got some new goodies from Vanity Collections to unbox and organise today. So for those who don't know, Vanity Collections is an Australian-based company who makes the best acrylic organisers in the world, in my opinion. They are everything. All of my acrylic organisers are all from Vanity Collections, and they even make that massive big light up mirror behind me. So I have some of their latest launch pieces to play with today, and I'm so excited. So I've got the super huge, I can't remember exactly what the cube's called, but I'll link it in the description box and also in a pinned comment. So I've got a huge new cube to unbox, which I think I'm going to put in the corner here. And I also have some display trays to go in my Alex drawers from IKEA. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this, I think, 2 or 3 days ago in the mail, and I've had to work all week. So today's finally my day off. I woke up, I had a coffee, and I was like, I'm not even going to shower first. I'm going to come and unbox it and get it all set up in my PJs because it's great morning light, and I'm just so excited. So I hope you guys are excited too. Let's get stuck into showing you these new, beautiful Vanity Collections goodies. Literally, they're everything. They are my favourite. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get unboxing. Oh my gosh! Guys, this box is huge. This is literally like bigger than my torso. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Okay, so in the top of the box you have a set of dividers because this cube is so big that it has sections that you can put customizable dividers in. Oh, and it's like wrapped in foam. See, it is packaged so well. I think I might actually turn it upside down and tip it out. Okay, so as you guys can see there, it is like all packaged up in foam on the sides. So I'm just going to lift this foam off it. Oh, it's like snug as a bug in a rug. Oh, there we go. So see how it's boxed in that? So yeah, you guys definitely don't have to worry. It is packaged so nice and securely. I'm just shook to the core, girl. Shook to the core. I'm overheating in my dressing gown. Oh. Let's open a window. So you've just got to get all the little knobs and turn them around the right way. They do have a little screwdriver end. You should be able to just pop it out. So it might be a little hard to see when it's got no makeup in it, but the drawers actually have little dividers in them, which is so handy. So this drawer here, a couple of the dividers fell out in transit, so let me just pop them back in. You could literally fit your entire makeup collection in this cube, that's how big it is. I think I personally want to use it for like new makeup that I haven't had a chance to play with yet, or things like I need to experiment more with. But for the purpose of just showing you guys how much makeup it fits and how you can set it up, I think I'm just going to go to town and just pop a whole heap of stuff from my makeup collection in it, because yeah, I just want you guys to see it when it's actually loaded up. So let's go ahead and do that. So in this bottom drawer, I'm going to pop a bunch of foundations. Does it fit my NARS foundation? It does! Oh my gosh! So it fits my NARS foundation. That's incredible. So I can't actually get over how big this cube is. Like, it is so huge. I'm shook. I didn't even fill it all up because I just have makeup everywhere, and I think I need to go through and just reshuffle a few other things first before I finish setting up this one. But I have another package which was on top of the cube, which is this box here, and inside here they are like display trays, and I want to put them in this top drawer which just has junk in it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera, get this unpacked, and show you guys what this looks like as well, because this looks like it's going to be just beautiful, especially for like your daytime makeup or like the things you use all the time or things that you just want to have displayed nicely. So I'm going to quickly reshuffle this camera angle so that you can actually see the drill, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm just going to empty all the goodies in here in this box to start with, which are business cards. Anyone want a business card? Can't pick it up. Stop. Oh, got it. And of course, the regulars know the drill. Got my Dyson vacuum. Okay guys, so here is what the tray looks like. As you guys can see, it's like slanted, so you can either pop it on like a bench top or you can pop it into your IKEA Alex drawers. They do make a smaller version that fits in the Alex 9 drawers as well as the Alex 5 drawers, because these sets of drawers are two different depths. They're the same widths, but they're different depths. So the Alex IKEA 5 drawers are deeper. It is a little bit hard to get up to the very back up here, so if you're going to put something up the back there, maybe something you don't reach for all the time and something that, you know, yeah, you don't need on an everyday, every minute of the day basis. So I might even put some boxes up the back of this that like I want to keep, but I don't have anywhere to put, so I'll put them up the back there. And yeah, I'm just going to load this bad boy up now. Okay guys, so that is all the goodies I have to show you today from Vanity Collections. I am obsessed with this cube. It is literally huge. It fits so much makeup, as you guys can see from the side. I didn't get anywhere near to filling this up. I do have plenty of makeup that I could probably stash in it, but I think, like I was saying at the start, I want to make this like my new products cube, and I'm actually going to pop it in this corner of my dresser. So I will update you guys once I actually get it properly set up. I just wanted to have a little play with it today and set it up and take some pictures for you, make a little video so you guys could see it, because oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then the display tray. This is such a good idea. So like you can definitely pop this just on your bench top if you want, but I really like it in the top drawer of my IKEA Alex drawers, because I'm actually going to rejig this with all of my like go-to foundations, powders, concealers, like my go-to makeup, everything I use the most. So I think I'll pop that in here, so it just means when I'm sitting down to do my makeup, I can just open this drawer and I've got everything I need for like my simple glam and like my daytime makeup. Not that I wear daytime makeup, because if I'm not doing glam, I don't wear any makeup, but you guys get the gist. You know what I'm saying. Vanity Collections just kills it with every single thing they do. So if you guys haven't checked them out, definitely do. They're an Australian-based company, so it's really amazing that us little old Aussies have something like that here, homegrown. So yeah, definitely check them out if you guys haven't. I'll link everything in the description box and also in a pinned comment for you. If you have any questions about anything else you've seen in my beauty room, just comment it below and I shall get back to you. So thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the very end, you are the best. You're the real MVP, and I appreciate that. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll be talking to you in the comments and in the next video. Bye!